sometimes as I took my lantern and I would go and check on them, I would see them kiss my shadow as I passed by. I loved every one of them. I have written hundreds of pages of ideas for them. They would not publish it because it showed them in a poor light. I wrote a book called Notes on Nursing. It was written for doctors and nurses, but it became an international bestseller. They tell me that during the American Civil War, almost every nurse and every doctor carried a copy with them. Every once in a while, I will don my nurse's uniform. I will remember these soldiers that I called my children. I will remember them and correspond with them at times as well.